house in the morning light. Whispering winds paint the sky so bright. In nature's embrace, dreams come alive. A world adorned where wonders thrive. Sparkling stars, queens of the night. Stories flow in rivers gentle mind. Nature's tale, untold and grand, touches every heart across the land. Sunlit rays and the breezes dance under fairies' charm, a magical trance. Blossoms bloom with vibrant grace in nature's arms. Dreams find their place. Sunlit rays and the breezes dance under fairies' charm, a magical trance. Blossoms bloom with vibrant grace in nature's arms. Dreams find their place. Sunlit rays and the breezes dance under fairies' charm, a magical trance. Blossoms bloom with vibrant grace in nature's arms. Dreams find their place. Sunlit rays and the breezes dance under fairies' charm, a magical trance. Blossoms bloom with vibrant grace in nature's arms. Dreams find